Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
So I will show you one policy, that is a bandwidth limiter overview. That is a very simple policy. I don't have the document for the same. That is a actually different lab. So it's not a very big policy. So basically this policy works. Suppose you found that some of the user at site are using high bandwidth, right? And they are downloading unnecessary data from social media or anything else. Means they are consuming the bandwidth so much for that site, only one user, two user, or some specific prefixes. So you can just limit the bandwidth for those prefixes so that they will not choke your bandwidth, so that other corporate user who are doing their corporate professional work and they are not facing any issue. So in this one you will see that the same option, that we will go to traffic data and create new and the QS. Okay, under the QS you can map any prefix list here, or either you can map any this source IP prefixes, right? Any list. Basically, that first you need to define the polisher, means what would be the condition. Okay, so conditions you can define from here. If I will go to policy and list, under the list you can define the polisher. Polisher, what will do? It will define what will the burst rate. If exceeding, you can mark drop. So that's something you can define under the polisher. That what would be the rate limit. Okay, so I have just defined polisher P1 and map the prefix and action here, map the prefix and action will be drop. That's it. Okay, and the same thing, how what it will do, I will show you the what is the impact. Suppose we are using a Linux PC on branch 2 to test the policy, so we will check the internet speed before applying the policy. So that was a lab snapshot. So what we have done that time, we have just downloaded the Mozilla Firefox, and we can see that the speed was showing 1.9 Mbps per second. That is getting download this file, right? And when we apply the policy, we have limit the bandwidth, we have activated the policy, then we will see that it has been changed to 54 KB per second. So it depends on you that how much bandwidth you want to provide to them. So that testing you can also, mean the small policy, just simple small policy. You define the polisher and map with the source list, and default action will be drop. Okay, so that's how that user will not able to download this one. So that is a just overview. And one day you asked me to show me the some application aware routing policy, so that's something I'm having.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN.